particular kind of dream has been repeating over and over from the past 3 days. Especially, I recognize this is under the energy of solstice. The spirit babies are coming through. I hear giggles when I connect to this dream in my meditation. Now, I see within the collective that the divine masculines are being initiated by the spirit babies again. Yes, in the past they have been initiated, but this time it's totally different. Right now, the initiation is all about being a divine father. Before that, also, it was about being a divine father, but right now, the energy is so humble, so beautiful, so joyful, so heart centered, so awakened. It's that I see the spirit babies hanging out with their divine fathers, with their divine masculines, and they are sparking some joy within their hearts out of this gloomy atmosphere within their collective energy right now. The gloomy atmosphere is shifting into joy, the inner joy. The idea of joy itself excites the divine masculine, and the joy is based on the frequency in the reality when they are very devoted to their divine feminine. It's 936 as I am recording this video, so it's about mind body soul alignment and very much in tune with the message that I'm delivering right now. So the divine masculines are being initiated for being the divine father, for being the divine husbands. Yes, this is about the inner marriage, the outer marriage, the 3D twin flame marriage that we have been hearing and talking about so much. And they are sparking the joy, especially in relation to the idea of marriage within the divine masculine collective, which they used to run from. The concept of commitment, the concept of love, they were running. Now, this clearly represents that they are coming back to the love. And love is the frequency of a divine feminine. The feminine energy has awakened very much in the collective, and it's clearly reflecting in the divine masculines. The spirit babies are the bridge to this ascension, and the masculines are ready to awaken, to come through within your journey. In very soon, I see that this energy that is being initiated by the divine masculine will come through in the reality. Thank you.